Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check if your Triber head unit supports Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, because that determines the method. Plug a quality USB cable into the car and your phone, and turn on Bluetooth and mobile data so streaming is stable. Once done, unlock the phone and open the YouTube app briefly. This primes permissions. Make sure background app refresh and location are enabled, because the system often checks those before allowing video casting to the screen. Next, decide how you will get video. Android Auto and CarPlay typically block YouTube video for safety, so you may use screen mirroring, a third-party app, or an HDMI/USB video adapter if the head unit supports it. Install a trusted mirroring app on the phone, then pair to the Triber via Bluetooth and select the car as a display. Once connected, open YouTube and start a video. You will mirror both audio and visuals. Make sure to set volume and screen timeout to prevent interruptions. Finish by selecting the correct audio source in the Triber, USB or Bluetooth, so sound plays through the car speakers, and then lock your phone to avoid accidental input. If video stutters, reduce stream quality to 720p, close background apps, or move the hotspot phone closer for a stronger signal, because bandwidth often causes issues. If nothing connects, reboot both devices, forget and repair Bluetooth, and reinstall the mirroring app. That usually clears permission conflicts and stale pairings. Try one fix at a time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.